Hello everyone, welcome back. And the next topic in basic JavaScript, storing values with the assignment operator. In JavaScript, you can store a value in a variable with the assignment operator that is equal to. And we will do it like this. My variable equal to 5. This assigns the number value 5 to my variable. If there are any calculation to the right of the equal operator, then those are performed before the value is assigned on the variable on the left of the operator. So in this case, there is declaration of my var variable, and afterward my var variable is assigned a value of 5. First, this code create a variable named myvar. Then the code assigns 5 to myvar. Now, if myvar appears again in the code, the program will treat it as if it is 5. So, the task in this challenge, assign the value 7 to a variable a. So, we have a declared variable a. We have to assign a equal to 7 and semicolon. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.